What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to make $1,000 on YouTube creating simple videos. This is something that I've been showing people a lot lately, and it's really been helping out. And what I mean by this is, I've been showing them a simple way to make money, okay? It's not some fancy thing, it's not vlogging, it's nothing like that. It's by creating simple videos about products, such as a product review. Just recently, I ended up picking up this product. Haven't done a video on it just yet. Probably will very soon. However, I ended up picking this product up for 10 cents. Okay, I bought this for 10 cents off of Amazon. Now, I want to show you exactly how you can do this exact same thing. Okay, and I'm gonna walk you through the process, show you why it works, how you can start making money. All right. So, let's hop over my computer. I'm gonna show you right now how you can start making $1,000 or more per month on YouTube, creating these simple videos. So, the first thing you're going to need to go to a website. It's called jumpsend.com. Okay? Go to this website and you're going to see at the top of your screen, it's going to say deals. You're going to click on that. Okay? It's going to bring you to a page that looks something like this. All of these products here, you have to get a code to buy them. Now, the reason why this works so well is because people are willing to give you a discount in order for you to give them a review on Amazon. So technically, you're doing two reviews. One on YouTube, which you're going to do a video. That's where you're going to make the money. And then you're going to write a simple review over on Amazon, which is going to give this person what they need to pretty much give you your discount code. All right? So here's what I do. I take this all the way up to 80%. Okay? So I'll take the discount all the way up to 80%. It's going to go and search for products. Here's the cool thing. So let's say these things, these Patriot 76 Extreme Heat Resistance Barbecue Gloves. I'm going to click on this. Okay, let's say I want to do a review on this, all right? So I'm going to do that, and then I'd click Request Item. Okay, and I'll get a discount code. You can see right here, the retail price is normally $17.99, but I'm going to pay $3.60 for these gloves. Here's the way you make money, all right? Over on YouTube, let's say the product is Heat Resistance Barbecue Gloves, okay? So what I'm going to type in is heat resistant barbecue gloves. Okay, that's what I want. But I'm going to type in best heat resistant barbecue gloves. Here's the reason this works. Okay, so let's say these ones right here, 10 best barbecue gloves. Okay, year ago, 3,000 views. Best heat resistant barbecue gloves plus free giveaway. 11 months ago, 3,000 views. This one, how to barbecue right, has a lot of subscribers, but almost 100,000 views done a year ago. Here's how you make money. So the way you make money is you do the review over on YouTube, and then in your description box underneath your video, what you're going to do is you're going to add a link to your product, okay? And so you would add an affiliate link to Amazon to send people from your review, your honest review, over to Amazon to potentially buy the product. Here's what happens, all right? So let's say they get sent over to this product over on Amazon. It's the exact same one I was just showing you right here, okay? Same product. This one costs $17.99. The reason why that's important is because, and I don't remember exactly what you get paid in the for this category, but let's just say it's 5%. If you get 5% of $18, that's 90 cents for every one sale you get. 90 cents. That's not a lot of money. In order to make $1,000 a month, you need to be selling at least, you need to get about $33 a day. Okay, so are you going to get there with a 90-cent product? Yes, you can. Here's the reason why. Let's say somebody buys this. They want this product, okay? They want it, they really want it, but they want to have an extra pair for their house. So that's two. That means you can make $1.80, okay? So they want one. Or somebody else sees, let's say they see a video that you did on, not even on this one. Let's say they see a video that you did on this right here, stainless steel flatware set, because you not only need the gloves, you need stainless steel, flatware in order to eat the steak or the chicken or whatever you have, right? That you're probably barbecuing. Well, you look right here. This is $19.90, okay, $20. So you're gonna make $1 off this. So what if they buy this plus these gloves? Okay, they buy one pair of gloves and one thing of the flatware. Okay, because that's only a thing of 5. That's 5 pieces. Okay, so let's say they need 4 of those. So you're going to make $4 off this. You're going to make 90 cents off this. You're going to make $5 off one sale. Okay? Now, this isn't going to happen all the time, but it does happen quite a bit. Best stainless steel flatware. Let's type that in. Best stainless steel flatware. Okay? And then you got all these people creating videos, right? And some of these, you can see like this one, there's a link to Amazon, right? This one has a link to somewhere else. Let's see if there's another Amazon link. There's a link to Amazon right there. I don't think that was an affiliate link, but it's still a link. You come looking down here. Let's see, there's a link to Amazon right there. There's another affiliate link, okay? Great. You're going to start making money here just by referring people over to Amazon. Alright, so I want to show you something, right? So I want to show you how much I made per video on this. So I started a new channel here on YouTube. I started the very first day of 2019, okay? January 1st, 2019. So far, we're in March 11th, okay? It's March 11th right now currently, okay? In the first 2 months, I actually created, and this is just from one channel, I created 20 videos. From those 20 videos, I ended up making $1,462, okay? So $1,462, okay? And I shot 20 videos, okay? I did 10 videos each month, okay? Divide that by 20, I made $73.10 per video, okay? Per video. Now, here's what I want you to understand. The majority of my income, okay, because I didn't make $2,000, and I'm telling you in the video, make $1,000 a month. It's probably not going to happen in month one, okay? The majority of my sales came after the 21st of January, okay? So that gave me 21 days to pretty much get up some videos and get some traction, okay? So in like a month and a half, I pretty much made, $1,400, okay? That's what I want to show you. That's the important thing, because $73 per video. What if I did 10 videos, or what if I did 10 videos a month, okay? That's, what was that? 120, okay? So we multiply that by 120, okay? That's how many videos I'm going to do, throughout the entire year, okay? So how much am I going to make? I make $8,000, $8,772 at the end of the year, okay? From 10 videos a month. That's a video every, 3 days. That's not a lot. What if I, doubled that, okay? What if I doubled that? That would be $17,000 at the end of the year. That right there is more than $1,000. You can see it right there, same thing. That's more than $1,000 every single month, okay? That's good. That's what you need to be looking at, is that you can make money, but the goal, the purpose of this entire video is to show you what's possible. What's possible is you can get reviews on just about anything. So this right here is just an HDMI splitter. So let's see, best HDMI splitter for gaming. Just type that in. Okay, and you got a bunch of just different things. 10 best HDMI splitters 2018. How to audio switch between gaming consoles on PC. Okay, you just got these different splitters, which are a little bit more, looks a little bit better than this cheap one that I got, but it still works. Here's one right here. HDMI 3-port switcher. Okay, cool. Okay, so you just got a bunch of these different ones, random ones. Some have little switchers, little on-off things. But again, this thing cost me 10 cents. 10 cents, and now I have a whole new video that I can create for my other channel. Okay, so just think, that's something that you can be doing as well. So you're probably thinking, okay, great, I got a bunch of channels, so creating a review on a video is easy for me, and it is. It's pretty simple, but it can be simple for you as well. One thing that I've done recently, I created a new course, okay, it's fairly new in the last couple months, okay, it's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. I show you how to make money on YouTube, creating simple videos just like the ones I'm showing you, just like the ones I'm explaining, just like the one I'm going to create on this splitter, okay? It's not that hard, okay? I show you exactly how to do that. Now that course, it does cost $33 as of right now. At the end of this week, it is going up to $67, so if you want to get it now before the price goes up. But if you don't want to get it, you don't have to get it. It's just a course. It's going to show you the easier steps to take to start making money on YouTube, to start doing some affiliate marketing, start creating videos, start getting traffic, and start getting paid for it. Okay, that's what I'm showing you inside the course. Now, like I said, you don't need the course, but it will streamline the entire process, help you out, help you become successful faster. Okay, but you still have to do the work. So let me give you some tips. Okay, let me give you 2 tips. Tip number 1: if you want to be successful by doing reviews, number 1, you have to find a way to consistently get products. That's where I recommend you spend $20 to $50 a month and buy different products. They can be new, they can be used. I've received a bunch of products as gifts to do reviews for some of my channels, but that's not where I started. Where I started, I'd go to Goodwill, I'd go to Salvation Army, I'd go to yard sales, and I'd buy the best looking products I could that were within my niche. Okay, so for example, if it was cooking, I would find the best products and hopefully the newest, electronic product, the newest, kitchen hardware, the newest appliances, stuff like that. And I'd do a full review on it. But it would be a used product I'd pay $2 to $3 for, and it would be something that would sell for $30 to $40. So obviously I'd make some money off that as long as the product's sold. Okay, and that's just by doing an affiliate link over to Amazon. Now, you do not have to create an affiliate link over to Amazon. You can send people to Walmart or Target or Costco or Sam's Club, wherever. Okay, and it works. It's effective either way. It's just I like Amazon because it's one of the biggest websites in the world. It's one of the online e-commerce, biggest site in the world. So obviously everybody knows about it. But it's so easy. You just send people there, and Amazon not only sells that product, they sell you multiple products, so you make more money. Okay, that's tip number one, is to consistently get new products in every single month. Second tip, and probably the most important, is to give an honest review. Okay, I can tell you right now, is this going to be the best splitter I've ever used? No, it's not. I'm going to give it an honest review. Is it the best one for the price? Maybe, but I don't know. If there's other products, okay, for example, if I don't like this one and I like something else that I've used before, I'm going to be very honest with that and tell people, don't buy this one. However, go buy this product because it's cost you an extra $5, $10, but it's 3, 4 times, 5 times as good as this cheap thing. All right. So that's what I do, is I just want to be honest. Be honest with the review, because what someone's going to look at in your video is, okay, are they just trying to sell me this product, or is this actually going to provide value for my buying decision? Should I buy this splitter? Maybe, maybe not. If not, which product does he recommend? Okay, or she recommend? Just be honest, because that is the most important thing. If somebody looks at your video and like, that person isn't credible. I bought something that he recommended or she recommended, and it came back as like it didn't even work. Why would you recommend that? Okay, that just hurts you. Okay, that hurts your reputation. That hurts your brand. It's not getting you anywhere. Okay, so like I said, that's the most important thing, is to be honest. And the second one is to be getting consistent products in, so you can do consistent videos throughout the month. All right. So if you have any questions on how to make $1,000 or more on YouTube, creating these simple videos, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. Also, you can also email me, homemade-entrepreneur@gmail.com. Okay. Send me an email there and I'll help you out any way that I can. If you want to take the course, like I said, it's $33 right now. But at the end of this week, it's going up to $67. So if you haven't got it, go get it before the price goes up. Okay, and you have to spend more money. All right. But again, if you have any questions, ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my free videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.